Hello to all my YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to your very old school stereo equipment by using Bluetooth technology. Of course, my phone has Bluetooth, and so does my old school system does. Now, it's also a couple ways you can connect your iPhone. It's also with the headphone jack on the bottom of the actual device itself. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to use Bluetooth and have a kind of a wireless experiment here. Now, the one thing with Bluetooth technology, make sure your phone is 100% charged because you're streaming music over Bluetooth, and yes, it will also drain the battery in your device as well. Now, what type of equipment we're going to be using today? Well, my old Toshiba stereo receiver. That's what I'm going to use today. And let's get into it, and let's show you how it's connected. Now, I'm going to show you my devices I'm going to be using to connect my iPhone to my very vintage style stereo. It was built in the late 60s or the late 70s. I'm not 100% sure when it was made, but I will show you that as well. But here is this device. This is what I use to connect my Bluetooth different devices to stream audio and music audio as well from this device as well. Basically, what you're doing is you're giving this old system a newer type of technology. And of course, they do have newer style stereos and receivers. It also have Bluetooth technology built into it, but they're really expensive, and I just choose this. And let's give you a close-up look at this uh, unit. It's very compact, very small. Okay, it says Rocketfish Bluetooth receiver. You got your LED light, and also on the back of your device, you have 5 volts, coax, or old analog audio. That's how I'm going to hook this up to that system over there. Now, take your smartphone, okay, go to General, turn Bluetooth on, and let's see. But I don't have anything hooked up yet. But let's go ahead and hook everything up. Here is my vintage stereo system. I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone by using Bluetooth style technology with this older system. And of course, I do have it turned on, and I'm also going to show you what it looks like. It's a Toshiba stereo receiver SA320. That's what this make and model is. And of course, to operate this, you have to use this control knob to turn it on or off. We're going to turn it on to B. Set your input to tape. If you're curious, this is the tape button. Set that on for your Bluetooth to work. You can see we have the Rocketfish powered up. You can see it's blinking. Alright. Take the iPhone, and it's now looking for a device. Okay, now hit the pairing mode. Once it pairs to my unit, we can test it out. And this is a pretty old system. And you see, now we have connected my iPhone. We now have a solid blue light. Let's go ahead and play a little bit of music and demonstrate how this works. iPhone, how to connect to Bluetooth. with the old stereo equipment. Now, this is going to play with some music. See? Seems to work perfectly fine. Sometimes it doesn't always want to connect. But you can see, seems to play perfectly fine with the audio. I'm gonna pause it real quick. And let's see if we can play a YouTube video from YouTube itself. But I need to sign in real quick here. I have to make sure I use my own videos, not anybody else's content on YouTube. And see if this will work or not. Well, let's find out.
Hello to all my YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today on a
Seems to work.
day out.
And yes, you can play videos with the music receivable by using Bluetooth technology. Now, if you want, you can also use a wire if you don't want to drain out your battery. Now, I don't do this that often with my system, but I do like to listen to my music and also listen to own videos on YouTube. But Bluetooth technology is okay for the application you're trying to use it for, but it's whatever. But, you know, this thing is pretty old and I say it works pretty nice. Let's just show you. Basically, this is my old vintage equipment, basically. And it works perfectly fine. You can integrate or buy all sorts of different things for your vintage stereo system. Like, you know, this is a new device, and it's like, okay, how does this work on that? Well, there's a couple things you can buy for it. You can buy the iDock, or the dock for this, or you can just do what I did, is just get a Bluetooth device or even an audio cable. It's the cheapest way to do it, I guess. Of course, it's not rocket science to figure out how to connect these type of devices with newer style technology like this. Now, you can also make phone calls off of your phone, and it would also go through the Bluetooth, and you can answer it, and you can actually use your stereo equipment to talk to the person you choose to talk to. Now, it's very awesome to integrate old and new style technology. Now, of course, it doesn't always work that way, because some technology you really can't put Bluetooth in on devices. This is just a separate device, and it seems to work perfectly fine with this vintage stereo equipment. Taking my iPhone and streaming audio to that means I don't have to worry about plugs or cords or anything like that. And I say that's an awesome thing. But if you choose to buy the dock and you want to listen to it that way, that would be perfectly fine too. But Bluetooth will drain your battery on your iPhone. You just be careful what you use. Alright, this is somewhat of how everything sets up over here, and I've shown you how to connect this device with this unit. If you're subscribing to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog.